I know you probably can't hear me over this riding mower, but this damn thing's shooting out flames. Watch this. You can't see it really on camera, but it's shooting out like a 3-4 inch flame. This thing's got a lot of hours on it. $656. Son of a bitch. Damn fire ant. That's another thing. I had to take care of a mound of them this morning. My little boy came out here. He was out here walking the dog. He went to screaming and hollering, and I come out here. He done stirred up a fire ant bed. I come out here and stirred it up, got the bastards pissed off, and poured gas all over them. Son of bitches. Yeah, we got some wind coming in from Hurricane Florence. It's still sunny out, but we're starting to get some wind gusts from it. It's been like this since late last night. Damn fire ants just ate my feet up. But yeah, I got the mower out, getting ready to try to cut some grass. Got time for a damn new one, and this damn thing right here been through a damn war and back just about, but it still runs and cuts grass good. All I've done to it is put 2 new back tires on it, put a new set of blades on it. God dang. I got to go. These dang old fire ants are eating me up.